Hey guys, what's up? Are you one of those people who constantly dreams of owning a Samsung S series, but every time you look at that price tag, your wallet just screams no? If that sounds like you, then stick around, because this video is exactly what you need. It's time to ditch the flagship FOMO. There is a new budget beast hitting the market soon, that is about to completely redefine what premium means. Samsung is gearing up to drop the Galaxy A18 5G, and if the leaks are true, the features are so stacked it's going to make the competition sweat. Seriously, rumor has it Samsung is about to drop a bomb in their popular A series, that will absolutely shake up the mid-range market. We're talking about a phone that packs everything you want from a high-end device, without burning a hole in your pocket. So, let's dive into every leaked feature that could make this phone a total game changer, plus the expected price and release date. Let's get into it. Features of the Galaxy A18 5G. Display and design. First up, let's talk about the thing you look at all day, the display. The A18 5G isn't giving you some average screen. Leaks suggest we are getting a massive 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED panel. We're talking deep inky blacks and vibrant colors, that will make every video and game look like a whole new world. But the real magic here, a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're doom scrolling or gaming, everything is going to feel butter smooth. And for the gamers out there, we're hearing about a 240Hz touch sampling rate, meaning the phone reacts instantly to every tap and swipe. In the design, the bezels are rumored to be razor thin, pushing a 93.6% screen-to-body ratio. It's basically just holding pure screen in your hand. With Gorilla Glass 6 protection on the back, and an in-display fingerprint sensor, this thing is going to feel incredibly modern and premium. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the feature everyone cares about, the cameras. The Galaxy A18 5G is rocking a triple camera setup. The star of the show is a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS support. That means even in low light, your photos are going to be detailed, clear, and steady. Backing that up is a rumored 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing those massive landscapes or group shots, and an 8-megapixel macro lens for those super detailed close-ups. And for the selfie lovers, you aren't being left out. We're looking at a potential 32-megapixel front camera. Your video calls, reels, and selfies are going to look crisp and sharp. Performance. So, the big question, does it have the horsepower to run that display and those cameras? Absolutely. Speculation points to Samsung using their new Exynos 1480 chipset. This processor isn't just 5G ready, it's built to handle heavy gaming and multitasking without breaking a sweat. No lag, no hanging, just smooth sailing. But here is the biggest surprise, the software. This phone might launch with Android 16 right out of the box. Plus, Samsung is promising 5 years of security updates and 3 years of OS updates. You're getting the latest security, features, and efficiency before anyone else. Battery backup. With all these power-hungry features, you need a tank of a battery. Samsung knows this. The A18 5G is expected to pack a massive 6200 mAh battery. For normal usage, that is easily a day and a half of life. And if you do run low, no stress. Leaks point to 50-watt super fast charging via USB-C. You'll get hours of power in just minutes of charging. Price and launch date. Alright, let's get down to business. How much will this cost? According to leaks and experts, Samsung might launch the Galaxy A18 5G somewhere between $230 and $250 USD. If that price holds up, this phone is going to be the absolute king of the mid-range. When can you get it? Reports say we should keep our eyes peeled around June or July. So guys, is this phone going on your wish list? Think about it, all these flagship features at this price point. Would you wait for the A18 5G? Or do you have your eye on a different phone that you think is better? Let me know in the comments below.